Yo, my name is Shable and I'm about to go hard in the paint. Ooh, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. 7 a.m. waking up in the morning, gotta be fresh, gotta go downstairs, gotta have my bowl, gotta have cereal, seeing everything, the time is going ticking on and on, everybody's rushing, gotta get down to the bus stop, gotta catch my bus, I see my friend's bitch. Alright homie, this ya boy Matt Killfeather. I'm about to go hard in this bitch, yeah heard. Yo 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 you a ho. My name is Matty K. Yes, I am really gay. My boy cuts his wrists and tickles me in the ass. Ya never see me passing class. Instead I'm stuck cutting grass. I will also never answer my phone. I'm always making ice cream cones.